What's up, guys? Today we are going to be changing out a light fixture in the house. My wife has a chandelier here. We got this chandelier here that I just put together, and we are going to replace it with that light with the chandelier. So that is our task for today. First step is cut the power. Since we're dealing with electricity, you always want to cut the breaker off, which we've done. I've made sure there's no power going through there. So now that we've got the chandelier put together, we just got to take this part down here and put the new fixture. So here we go. Okay, so I've removed the glass and the bulb from here. You can see it just looks like there's two screws here. I think I could probably just turn it and it'll come off. There we go. So we just got to disconnect our power there, the hot and the neutral, and hook the new ones up. This is going to be pretty easy. Okay, the hot and the neutral are disconnected, so now we just need to take off this plate here. We're going to replace it with this plate, and then we'll just hook the ground up to this new plate like they have here, pull our wires through, and move on to the next step. Alright, we're going to use the handy dandy Tech 4 here. Alright, that is our ground screw there. One. That's two. And there, our plate's off. So now we just got to put on the new plate, and we're almost there. Okay, so we have the bracket installed in there. We've got our ground hooked up right there, and our neutral and our hot coming out, ready to be wired in. Easy. Here we are with all of our wires spliced in, ground connected. Now we just need to put the plate on the end and give it a test. All right, all done. Here's our finished. Take a look. Boom. There it is. All up there. Turn on the light. It works. Nice. I do have some recess lights that I want to change out to in my dining room. So I think that's going to be another project I'm going to tackle. Electrical work really isn't that hard. It's pretty easy. You just have to do it. Just get out there and do it. So this was a quick, simple little project I did for my wife to make her happy. So if you got anything on the list, go ahead and get it done. Super simple. And I'll see you next week.